Guys, today we're going to be practicing hanging laundry. All right, now for this, you're going to need clothes to hang, you're going to need hangers, you're going to need a place to hang those shirts. All right, so at school, our place to hang actually has size clips. You can see they have different letters on them. So you want to make sure at school you're using those. Now, chances are at home you don't have those, and that's okay. If you're hanging clothes at home, just hang them in the proper place, and you should be fine. At school, we check the sizes to make sure we're paying attention to what size the clothes are, and then we hang them, okay? So, I'm going to take a shirt, all right? What I always tell people is kind of shake it loose because sometimes it's a little crumbled up, and if you shake it loose, it falls open, nice and neat. Now, hanging shirts is a little difficult, okay? I understand this, and there's a couple different ways to do this. A lot of my friends like to take it and stick the hanger in the neck of the shirt, and they pull the shirt in, and they shove the other end of the hanger in, and I'm going to ask you not to do that. It's an okay way to do it. It does work. If you want to do that at home, that's okay. I would prefer you not to, because if you work at a store and you're doing that with brand new shirts, what happens is you stretch the neck of the shirt and the shirt actually becomes damaged and they can't sell it anymore because someone gets it, they try it on and it looks like, ooh, I don't want to wear that. So please do not take the hanger and stick it in the neck, okay? What I would say instead is take your hand, stick it in the neck of the shirt. See, got the neck right here. Stick it in the neck, come out the bottom, take your hanger, you're going to grab it with this hand, and you're going to pull it into the shirt. Now, sometimes it gets hung up, and that's okay. You can kind of adjust the shirt so the shirt looks nice, all right? So now that the hanger is in the shirt, we're going to check the size. This size is a medium, and the way I know that is because there's a blue M. Now, sometimes shirts don't have tags, and sometimes they'll have a print right here at the neck of the shirt. That's okay. All right. Sometimes the tag's been torn off. If the tag's been torn off, you just use your best judgment. So this says medium. I'm going to find the medium. There's an M right here. I'm going to put it in front of the M. Now, if we were at home, you would just hang it where that shirt goes. But at school, we're doing it by size because we're practicing for going to a job. If we're at a job, they're going to want you to hang it by size, okay? So let's hang a couple more of these. Remember, do I stick it in the neck? Nope. No, you don't. If you do that, Mr. Hawley, Ms. Cinderman, Mr. Julio Chavez is going to yell at you. Cesar Chavez, no. All right. You take your hanger, stick your hand all the way in. You're going to pull it through. Okay. Should hang nice and neat. All right. Let's see. This one says medium. Now, something funny. This is a medium. And this is a medium, but they're not the same size shirt. I'll tell you why. This is a child's medium. This is an adult's medium. For our exercise, it doesn't matter that they're not the same size. We're using the tags. They go by the M, okay? We'll do another one. Let's see. All right, I'm going to shake it out so it's nice and loose. I'm going to stick my hand in the neck. Put my hand out, pull the hanger through, pull it up. There we go. Nice and neat. All right. This is in large, and the reason I know that is because it's got an L. If it had an XL, that means it's extra large. And if it had an S, that means small. And we actually do have XS, that's extra small. There's not very many of those. We'll do one more, and then I'm going to ask you guys some questions, so make sure you're paying attention. All right, let's see. Ooh, okay. All right, remember, you take your hand, stick it in the neck of the shirt. pull the hanger from the bottom of the shirt in. It gets hung up, you fix it. So, there you go. All right, and this one, if I look at the tag, is XL. So that goes in the XL section right there. All right, so I have a couple questions for you. Do we stick the hanger in the neck of the shirt? No, you stick it in the bottom of the shirt. You stick your hand in and you pull the hanger through, okay? Do we just kind of let the hanger hang the shirt wherever, or do we have to shake it and adjust it and pull the shirt? You have to pull it. It has to look nice and neat, okay? If the shirt looks all disheveled like this, not good. We want to shake it a little. There we go. Now it's hanging nice, okay? All right, guys. See you later. Have a good day.
Sweet.
Everything good?
Yep.